How to refer a friend to Factor Meals. Step 1. Open the Factor Meals app on your phone or go to factor75.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Step 2. In the app, tap the Account tab at the bottom. Scroll down and look for Refer a Friend or Referral Program. On the website, find it under your account drop-down menu. Step 3. You'll see a unique referral link generated for your account. Tap Share to send via email, message, or social media, or simply copy the link and paste it wherever you want. Step 4. Your friend clicks the link and sign up for their first order. They usually get a discount, and once they complete their first delivery, you earn a reward like account credit or meal discounts. Step 5. You can track who has used your link right inside the app. It shows the status of your referral and how much credit you've earned. Some promotion offer bonus meal or larger credit during special events. And that's it.